Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can close your account on CloudConvert. So let us dive into this. Log into your account on CloudConvert, click into username in the top right and choose dashboard. After that, guys, here on the left hand side, click into account. And then guys, at the bottom, you will see that option delete. Click into it. Now, I'm not going to delete my account, but if you want to do this, guys, remember that the deletion request cannot be undone and it will be permanent, right? And also all included associated data like uploaded or converted files and data, everything will be deleted. So if you want to do this, type in your account password here. And what you want to do next, guys, is if you, for example, are logged in with your Google account, of course, you don't need to do this here, but confirm the request by clicking into this button in the bottom right corner to finalize the request. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.